I'm masked up. Some work about to get going on.
We bought a hoarder house, and after getting all their stuff out, we still have work to do. Because even after the demo phase, we still weren't happy with the layout.
So the object for today is to tear down this wall in this room so we can make this next room bigger, and then pretty much go from there to still figure out the layout. But we know we want this room gone because this is a small, pointless room. This is the room here that we're working with. My plan is to knock this down and probably bring this room, this bedroom here, to here, so we can have more space. See the chimney gone, so we made more space that way. And you see, this room is like really small, man. You can fit like a twin size bed in here, or it can be like an office, but it's just a weird layout. So we're just gonna get rid of it. It's gonna be part of the living room, and then probably put a wall to there, and then probably box this off. So this bedroom here can be bigger. So you can see in here, this is like an okay size room, but if you put a king size bed in here, it's a wrap. Or a queen, so you really ain't gonna have no space. So by tearing that down, moving this wall over, just right here is gonna have more space in here. And moving it over to here. So let's get to tearing this joint down. See, I already hit it with a karate chop kick. That's a good thing about this. Raggedy houses. Demo be the fun part. So yeah, so we're gonna get going. I think that's inside the closet. I was caught. All right. So I'm actually going to probably tear that down a different way so it'll be less mess. And I can load it up on the trailer and stuff later. This is where we at now. Taking down these ceiling joists right here. So I'm about to take these down, and then we have an open ceiling up high. See where it's at right now. We need to be up there. So I'm sawing through these nails right here. All I'm using is, I got the Diablo blades. This is like an all-purpose blade. Even when this boy chewed up, it still chewed through them nails, which is good. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. There's some pressure right here on these two. Probably can smack these down, and that whole beam right there come down with it. So we'll see. You see, I got partial of the wall torn out too. I kind of like where it's at right now. I think I wanted to actually come where this doorway at. I'm gonna saw out this whole door because this is a good door right here. We're gonna reuse that. Well, I think I'm gonna have it come to right where that's at, and then this room will be nice and open. So coming in here, it'll be a nice, decent size. All right, so this is what we're working with now. See, when you walk in, got a straight ahead. The living room gonna come through. Oh, got your little nook right there. This doorway gonna get covered up. You see, I got my little mark up kind of where I want the wall at. So it's gonna look good. Walk through this bedroom. Damn, it's gonna open up way more. Look how much more space in here. That's crazy. So we don't want to do no tight bedroom, so this is what we're gonna work with. This wall right here, I think I'm gonna push that boy out that way. I think, yeah, it'll give it more room in here, and then I can hang that door, make it swing this way instead of over there. So you see, and what I'm gonna do is, right, so up top, I'm gonna cut that one bar right there. Then I'm gonna go through, cut those nails off the top of those, top of that board, that top plate that's there. And then after I cut that, I can lay the wall this way. Those nails should pop up at the bottom, and I'm gonna just move that whole wall right here so it can line up with this one. And then it'll pretty much come out here. And then over. And I'll just make a whole wall right there. But that's gonna look good. Running out of time right now. I gotta go to the grocery store, so be back tomorrow. Got our wall up, high ceilings. That's looking real good. See, I got my wall framed up. I threw some 2x4s in that door frame that was there. Shoot, I'm ready to throw some drywall up here. Can't just yet. Have our bedroom. It's nice and spacious. How much space we got in here now? Real good. Somebody's gonna be happy with this bedroom size. Alright, now I gotta figure out too. I might actually put a closet right here. Maybe do a little boop closet right there. So you can have all this space right here. Put like a bed and dresser or whatever. Because this space really not gonna get used. Clothes hamper or something like that. But I think whoop, make a little closet there, maybe over to this heater. Might seem a little tight coming in though. Yeah, maybe. We're gonna see. Still more plans. I gotta pull down these 2x6s here. Still take that around. We're gonna do tall ceilings, and then I'll just have to add like some little cripples right there. Add it up to the ceiling so we get that drywall, cover all that up.